Today's air gunning video is brought to you from the studio of Papa T Adventures. We hope you enjoy. Good morning, family. Welcome back to Papa T Adventures. I have a special air ups for you today. These are not actually Papa's guns. My brother picked up these guns, bought these guns. We're going to open them up, take a look at them though. We're going to call this our Pump It Up edition. We're going to check these guns for him, so you'll get to see them here on the channel some with old Papa as we put it through its paces, make sure everything is good with it. Not my guns, but still excited to have them here, to check them out, share them with you guys. So, first up, I have the American Classic from Crosman. This is, let me find it for you here. This is a made in the USA version. This is not one of the new ones. It's made overseas. Instead, made here in the USA. Nice in there. Did come with some extra parts. Talk about those in a moment. There we have it. American Classic. And this is the 1322. Excited to get to play with this. This one's never been shot. It's still new in box. Got the directions. And I'll show you these additional parts that came with it. So, sit that there. These additional parts that were sent with it also never opened, so this will be our first opening of these. So from Alchemy Airworks. Oh, completely missed it. It's right there. Larger port, so that you can get more power. And then this will look familiar to many of you. Sorry, trying to do this so I don't expose names as I go along. So this is the steel breech kit, so we can upgrade to the steel breech in well, it says 2240. Same, theoretically same breech used in here on the 1322. So we may see that. We may get to watch Papa do some, take our initial shots, give our first shots and first thoughts unmodified, but then we may install the steel breech and the additional for that airport for more power. So that's that one. Let's go to our next box here. Think that I know what this one is, and this is going to be my favorite of them, or I'm completely wrong. And it will not be my favorite of them. But you know, Papa, all about my pumpers, so I'll be excited either way. To get to show this to you guys, get to play with it myself. If I can get in here. boy, some of the strongest tape I've ever seen. Oh, this is exactly what I thought it was going to be. So, there's the stock. Nice and tightly packed in here. And there's the rest of it. This is $3.97. Of the ones that came, this is the one I'm most excited to get to try out. Always wanted to try. $3.97. So this is 177 cal multi-pump. We will end up putting it together, and then we'll take our first thoughts with this. Look forward to doing that with you guys. I'll go ahead and set it there. I'm not going to assemble it in this video. And so this is it's the only one that's not a Crossman of what I'm going to open today. This is a Benjamin, of course, which means it's got that, it's a 397, it's got that brass barrel. All right, last, certainly not least, should be no assembly required for this one. It'll look familiar to you guys because you've seen something very similar. No, this is not the 3622. This is the 362 in its normal composite stock as opposed to the version Papa has. It's not the 100th anniversary edition. So this one has been fired. Already upgraded for more power. It's a moderator. Some assembly required. We'll go ahead and do that for you guys. There we go. So, Crossman 362. And we will. It's already got the steel breech installed. Like I said, the larger airport designed for giving it a little more power. Can't wait to try this one out. And we will go ahead and have to install, not now, but also came with a scope. And we'll go ahead and put on it, try out Rex 4-20 by 40. It does have, looks like red and green illuminated reticle. Anyway, family, that's all for now. Just wanted you to get to see these. Again, these were for my brother. We're going to put them through the paces, try them out, make sure everything's in good working order, take our first thoughts, make sure everything is good before we turn them over to him. Until next time, thanks for stopping by. Papa T Adventures.